Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Peace, peace, peace to all the chaos beings. Peace to all the light workers. Yep, it's over with. My 30-day water fast is over. The journey has stopped. So yeah, it was an awesome experience, man. This is the longest water fast I've ever did. My longest fast was a 40-day green smoothie fast. And if I had to compare the two, man, this tops that green smoothie fast. Listen, I wasn't hungry at all the whole time. Food was irrelevant to me. The physical was irrelevant to me. Still not hungry right now, but my mind and my vibration went to a whole nother level. Like, for instance, on day 24, I was like really feeling bad. You know, it was just emotional and draining, and it was just another thing. Other than that one day though, I was vibrating high ever since the NIP transitioning. Thanks, NIP. And then, especially after day 24, 25 to 29 was probably the best I ever felt in my life. Absolutely powerful, wonderful, amazing. The times with my wife and kids was pure magic. And that's the lowest I can probably even explain. It was just wonderful. But remember, all of this was accompanied by myself actually doing the work. My meditations was laser focused. Invoking my deities was in line. My rituals were everything I planned and intense. Until my ass got to yesterday, day 30. Crazy. Leading up to yesterday, day 30 of my fast, did a ritual in the morning, and after that, I was out of it, y'all. That shit was crazy. I was feeling high as shit, to the point where I couldn't move, didn't want to do much, but it wasn't like a scary feeling at first. It was like a euphoric feeling. The first 2 hours after that ritual was bliss. I was like on cloud 9, feeling great and high. But nigga, after 2 hours of that shit, you just want to come down. Like, I already hear shit all the time, so that didn't really bother me as much. But when you start having this intense feeling, nah, I'm gonna have to pass on that one, homie. Just for right now, at least. After 2 hours, it was straight them first 2 hours. But then after them 2 hours, it kind of got annoying. Like, real annoying. If anybody ever took mushrooms, it's like that. When you take a large amount, not microdosing. My largest mushroom trip was 4.5 grams. And I was high as shit on that too. You talking about no ego. It literally was such an intense feeling. It was like, what's the meaning of life? Didn't want to do anything. Didn't see the point in doing anything. That mushroom trip felt exactly like yesterday for me. Just wanted to come down after a while. It's good at first, but you talk about nothing even matters. No ego. Amazing. I was trying to just sleep it off, y'all, but that shit wasn't working. So that experience was powerful to say the least. But remember, it's all accompanied by the work. So whenever you're doing your fast, the work should be the main focal point. Fuck woke, do work. So now I'm going to come off this fast with a diluted organic juice and drink that for about 2 days. And probably sip some vegetable broth or something. I told my wife, my queen, D. Ray, what I was experiencing yesterday. And she, of course, being the goddess that she is, my better half, had my back and fixed up everything for me today. Love you, babe. Hey, look, if you heard my last video, I hope y'all enjoyed it. The Soul Glow video, Soul Glow. It was literally divinely channeled to me, and as I was writing it, I couldn't stop. The writing is much better than the video I did. The actual story itself is much greater than the video I freestyled it from. The video itself is me just flowing it out. But when you read it and see the images in your mind's eye, it will turn a lot more light on. Calling out to all the gods, chaos beings, spiritual workers. I'm taking $1 donations or more to raise money so I can get the story in illustration form. I have a really dope artist that is spiritually in tune and enlightened through his artistic hands. In the $1 or more donation, you will get the actual story post, part 2 of the story when I release it, and you'll see how powerful the story actually is, as it's much more detailed and in-depth. If you enjoyed the video, man, when you read the actual story, it brings a lot of light and power to you also. I want to thank all the people that already donated to the cause. And I just want to thank you out there also for all the support and light for watching these videos and supporting my family and I on these channels. So humbled and grateful to all the family, as I hope my queen and I just bring understanding and you more light. When you register to PayPal, you will be under my queen's PayPal name. So don't get confused by that. We're just distinguishing the donations for the book and the business. Matter of fact, her PayPal will be in the descriptions also if you just want to donate directly. But you do want to register and read this story. It's a bust. Also remember, part 2 will be on there also. Link in the descriptions and comments. Thanks again. Dream wise.